I like to live in the moment like Kodak. Runs with the 4Gs, I need me a low jack. I'm #1 and I can't be below that. My wrist on 0 degrees, yeah, I froze that. My diamonds yellow, remind me of Bodak. These dead presidents and they came with a toe tag. See, I made me a name, can't nobody control that. You got you some fan, we been popping before rap, yeah. Clipping from the feet like Bam. B. Heard he tryna run off in a cam. Re. All these wires lined up like a stamp. P. Had to stick to the plan, no plan.
Kiss you on the
B.
cheek.
Shit. No cap.
I was gon' rock with them niggas, but them niggas steady capping on my name. Yeah, they see a young nigga winning, a young nigga stacking, so they think you changed. Boy, I had to make my way. Broke niggas can't relate, and I figured she was smart. Like she giving it.
Not the yams. It's a death. Yes. Think that I can. Like a man. Not the yams.
Sir, it's your boy Jadin Michai, and I'm back with another video. One of the most popular things on YouTube, ongoing, probably would never end, bro. Will always be popular, bro. I understand y'all boys. I was in your position one day, bro. I was in your same position. A few years ago, I look like this.
He needs some milk.
Look at me now. Now look, bro. My hair's a little bit frizzy right now, but as y'all see, bro, my hair is naturally curly now. I want to help y'all boys out, bro. All y'all boys that want to grow your hair out, you might not like your head shape, you feel me? I don't know. Taught myself these steps, these tips, you feel me? I taught myself. This is feel me? Watch the full video, and I'm gonna show y'all the products I use so y'all can get y'all hair more defined. I'm going in a communal shower, bro. I'm in college right now, so y'all gotta leave a like for this video, bro. I'm going in a communal shower. I'm gonna take my tripod in there and try to record, but it's time to update y'all boys. Y'all still lacking. Alright, so obviously the first step that you want to do is to rinse your hair. I usually do this in the shower because it's a lot easier, so that's why you see it here. I make sure I rinse my hair completely. It's really important. Make sure you get all of the stuff out of your hair. Obviously when you're shampooing your hair, you usually do that. And so what I like to do now is I take this brush that I got off Amazon. It works really well, but this is just for me because I have longer hair. I don't fuck with picks no more, bro. I hate picks because my hair got too long and too much hair would come out, and it would just be a mess trying to get the pick through my hair because I would have so many knots in it just naturally. And so this is the shampoo that I use. It works pretty well for me. I think it's a really good shampoo, so if you want to pick it up, you can. But any shampoo you use will work. It really doesn't matter. And so I messed up here. I decided to brush my hair again after I put the shampoo in. This was a bad idea. It created a lot of knots in my hair. So don't do that unless you're picking. I think picking with shampoo in, it doesn't really matter. But as you see, my finger detangling my hair throughout this whole process because I have a lot of knots in my hair just naturally. I get them. And so this next product, Coconut Co-Wash, is really important that you get this product for your routine. I usually use this every time after I shampoo. Whenever I'm doing a new wash for curls, I use this product to help form curls. It's really good for naturally curly hair, and it just adds. Another thing I taught myself to do, which has been really important, is to shake my hair. You'll see me do a lot. It's just something that I taught myself to do. It helps form curls better. I can't really explain it too well, but I just know that it works. Or whenever, even when I'm not washing my hair, whenever I just want to put water in my hair in the morning, I usually shake it right after, and it helps the hair to shape and the curls to shape, and it just helps the hair look better. If you have long hair, obviously it's not going to work if you have short hair. And this is just a good example of how my hair looks when it's wet. These are all new curls formed after I brushed. This is just natural curls that I've formed over the years of growing my hair and doing this process. So the next product that I use is this conditioner from the same company. I found these products really recently, but they seem to work really well, so I love using them. They feel really nice in my hair. But it's a better example of how I get the product through my hair. If you have long hair or even short hair, you just want to make sure that you get the product all throughout your hair. As you can see, I'm picking out knots. Making sure I rub the middle, the front, the sides, and make sure just the product gets to every point of my hair. That's really important. You don't want your hair to be clean at the top, and make sure that you leave it in your hair for at least 10 minutes. I always leave both the co-wash and the conditioner at separate times in for at least 10 minutes, sometimes 15, depending on how soft I want my hair to be after the process. But this is just an example of how my hair looks after I'm done. For the next step, as soon as you step out of the shower, you want to make sure that you just lay your towel over your head like this and pat it down. Pat it down real softly, you know what I'm saying? Don't do too much. After that, of course, you know what I'm saying, the patented shake it out one more time, and you want to make sure that you let it air dry. I know what y'all are thinking right now. My hair is frizzy, there's no curls. I clickbaited y'all. What's going on? That was the wash tutorial, you feel me? And obviously I had to comb out my hair, and when you pick out your hair, obviously that takes out the curls, but that was just so it's now about a week from when I initially started recording this video, bruh. I'm sorry for the delay in the uploads, bruh. I've been caught up in some other social media ventures. I'm gonna cap to y'all, you feel me? I ain't gonna cap to y'all. It don't take a day, you feel me? But it works, you know what I'm saying? It's a week later, and this is, you feel me? This is just waking up. Just woke up, so don't judge this right now. But like, I'm gonna give it to y'all. These are the products that I use on my day-to-day, you feel me? It's a little formula, you feel me? You gotta take a little bit of each product and put them in your hair. Not every day, you don't gotta do this, you feel me? It really depends on you, you feel me? It's like, you feel me? I usually put it in whenever I'm about to go out, you feel me? If I needed the extra boost, you feel me? And I don't feel like just putting water, you feel me? I start off with the Cantu leave-in conditioner, you feel me? Take a little bit of these products, you feel me? I really gotta stop saying, you feel me, on camera. I seriously don't say it this much. This is how much I took. I seriously don't say it this much anywhere else ever, bruh. I don't even think I say it in real life, bruh. Because of the way that I learned to do this, you feel me? I'm always rubbing the front, the sides, the back. So those get the products like directly, right? But then, if you notice, I'm kind of like leaving out the middle part. So like I always like start to brush from the middle. Feel me? Put the products in the middle. So right now my hair is like not really that defined. You know what I'm saying? I just been kind of like not doing nothing to it recently. Like for this week. I don't know why. I don't know how. I don't know why I invented this, bruh. Actually, I didn't invent this. I saw this on a YouTube video, and I stuck with it, bruh. Shaking your hair, it just helps to form curls, bruh. I don't know what it is. Cantu coconut curling cream, you feel me? It's that good. Take some of this the same way, same method. The same method, bruh. Take some, you feel me? Rub it around your hands, feel me? Middle first, back, side, side, side. Feel me? After that one's done, do another shake, bruh. And like doing this over time, you're gonna get the hang of it. You're gonna learn how to do it for yourself, and you're gonna learn, you feel me, what's good, what's bad, what products work. The way that my hair feels right now, it feels like very like really soft, really not defined. It's looking not defined. Like I literally came up with this myself, so it's hard to explain. But to add some strength to my hair, you feel me, I take some hair dress, you feel me, some regular hair dress, because all these products are gonna make your hair like really soft all the time. You know what I'm saying? And sometimes you don't want that, bro. Sometimes you need a little bit, you know what I'm saying, crispy. I take a little bit of hair dress, bro, like this much, bro. Rub it in, cause it spreads really easily. Rub that in your hair. Ooh, don't get it messed up, bro. This is garbage. This is terrible product. I hate it. I really don't like to use it. People say, you feel me, just get you some curling hairs, a smoothie, and your hair's gonna be curly. That's not true, bro. If you put too much of this product, your hair is up. You feel me? Put too much of this, your hair is not looking right, bro. So I always just like, whenever I use this, bro, I just gotta take a teeny little bit. Oh, see, that was way too much, bro. Never use that much of this, bro. But since my hair is already adjusted to all these products over, I've been growing my hair for like 3 years-ish, you feel me? So my hair is very accustomed to most of these products, bro. That's why, you feel me, my hair gets wet, it'll get curly now, you feel me? Because it's naturally curly products, you feel me? It's natural products, you feel me? Stop saying you. Oh, shit, why did I just hit my.
What's wrong with you?
Since I started on my hair journey, bro, I always been picking at my knots in my head. Always like looking for tangled parts, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? So that way my hair is just like, there's no knots, bro. There's gonna be a lot of self-taught stuff, bro. You're gonna learn how to detangle your hair with your fingers, bro. You're gonna learn what works, what doesn't work. But this is just to help y'all get started, you feel me? I know a lot of y'all is clueless, bro. I was there. I was with you, bro. I didn't know how to, look at me. Look at me, bro. Now look at me now. This is a bad example, but look at me now, bro. But I said, I am ugly, right? I need this hair, you feel me? I need something to subdue my ugliness, you feel me? So I said, I'm gonna find a way to get curly hair, bro. It was a point that I was looking into S curl, texturizers, you feel me? That would ruin your hair, bro. Don't do that, bro. I'm pretty sure the last product, fool. The golden boy. The pink boy. What is wrong with me? What is wrong with me? I'm gonna give y'all a good little look with flash, you feel me? Somewhere in the camera, like, I don't know, right here. But yeah, man, that is it, you feel me? It's been a while since I did one of these, you know what I'm saying? But I'm chasing the numbers, I'm chasing the views. You know what I'm saying? I'm caught up on, I'm on multiple platforms, bro. I'm on multiple platforms now, you feel me? I'm gonna need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. Because if you ain't part of the Jadin Michai gang, that's not cap. That's not. I'm gonna end this video before it gets a little bit too weird. I'm gonna show y'all the B-roll, and then we gonna be out. I've been slacking for too long.